Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, this is the part 2 of basics to advanced level MCQs 51 till 100. I have created earlier one part. I will share in the description. Later on you can find it easily. Okay, let's complete this. Computer science 2210 is the code for this is for O level, even for O level and for R level. You can even include this, integrate this in your class lesson as well. You can pause the video and you can ask the question from the students to check their knowledge, okay, to refine their concepts. So let's take a start. Okay, the first one is dash is used to check multiple choice test and to read lottery tickets. The options are given over here: OMR, optical mark recognition software; OCR, optical character recognition; then MICR, magnetic ink character recognition, or none of above. So the right answer is OMR is used to check multiple choice tests and to read lottery tickets. So next, which of the following is not an example of hardware? The options are given over here. The first one is Filmora 9 and OBS Studio, then mouse and printer. Third one is scanner and projector, or none of above. What do you think? Which one of the following is not an example of hardware? So here is the answer. Filmora 9 and OBS Studio, they both are software. Filmora 9 is used for editing videos and OBS Studio is also just like that. You can find out more about OBS Studio on internet. Okay, ji, next one. Which of the following is an example of hardware? UPS, mouse and printer, scanner and 3D printers, are all of above. The answer is all of the above. Which of the following is not an example of software? Skype, MS Teams, scanner and 3D printer, Zoom. Why I'm taking much time to move to the next MCQs, so that your teacher when this integrate this video in your class, so that they can pause and ask answer from the student. So the right answer is scanner and 3D printer are not example of the softwares. Skype is a software, MS Team is a software, and Zoom is a software. Which of the following is an example of software? eDraw Max, Add Scratch and AddPy, Visual Basics and Python, or all of the above? The right answer is all of the above. eDraw Max, Add Scratch, AddPy, Visual Basics and Python, they all are the example of softwares. Okay, dash readers are used to read utility bills, price tags and airline tickets. The options are given over here: optical mark recognition, OCR, optical character recognition. The first one is OMR, optical mark recognition. The second one is OCR, optical character recognition. Third one is quick response code reader, are all of the above. So right answer is optical character recognition software is used to read. A reader are used to read utility bills, price tags and airline tickets, OCR. Okay, there are dash types of softwares. The options are 2 types of software, 3 types of software, 4 types of software, or 5 types of software. The answer is there are 2 types of softwares, which is actually system software and application software. Which of the following is a type of software used in computer system? Computer software, desktop software, laptop software, system software and application software. So what do you think? Which one is a type of software used in computer system? Yes, here's the right answer. System software and application software. System software will help you to run your system, to communicate between the hardware and the software. And application software, you cannot install application software on your system, laptop, even mobile phones or tablets without installing system software. Example of system softwares are operating system, Windows. Next. One of the most common example of an operating system is Dash, known as Dash, and is used on many personal computer. The first one is DOS, Android, Unix, and Windows. So the right answer is most common personal operating system that you can install on your computer system is Windows. One of the most common example of an operating system. So let's move to the next question. Which of the following is an example of application software? DOS, Android, Unix, or Scratch? Now we are talking about here application software. So the right answer is Scratch. Okay, let's quickly move towards the next MCQ. Okay, which of the following is an example of system software? DOS, Android, Unix, or all of the above? So the right answer is they all are the example of system software, all of the above. So Windows is an example of Dash user multitasking operating system. Option 1 is system, multi, single, all of the above. Windows is an example of single user multitasking operating system. Yes. Okay. When a computer is first powered up, initiating programs are loaded into the memory from the hard disk, SSD, ROM, RAM. So the right answer is ROM, read-only memory. Whenever you power up your mobile phone, your laptop, your desktop, then initiating program are loaded into the memory from ROM. Next, simple devices with embedded microprocessors don't have Dash. So simple devices with embedded microprocessor don't have application softwares, operating system, input and output controls, RAM and ROM. So the simple devices they don't have operating system. No need to install operating system because operating system is used to perform multitasking. So next, buffer are used in computer as a dash memory. Permanent, temporarily, both A and B, none of the above. So the right answer is it's a temporary memory. Once the dash signal is received, the processor either carries on what it was doing or stop to service the device. The options are permanent, temporarily, interrupt, or buffer. So the right answer is interrupt. Once the interrupt signal is received, the processor either carries on with what it was doing or stop to serve the device. It depends upon the priority of that interrupt. Okay, who has given the idea to hold programs and data in a memory? Charles Babbage, Von Neumann, Tim Berners-Lee, Martin Cooper. Who has given the idea to hold program and data in memory? So that gentleman is Von Neumann. Dash content of memory remain even when the power to dash is turned off. The content of memory remains even when the power to the dash is turned off. HDD, SSD, RAM and ROM. So the right answer is ROM, read-only memory. Okay. Next, they are often used to store the startup instruction when the computer is first switched on. Startup instruction when computer is switched on. Hard disk drive, solid state drive, random access memory, read-only memory. Right answer is read-only memory. Okay, a device used to store startup routines when the toy car is first switched on. Hard disk drive, solid state drive, random access memory, or read only memory. Now select one question, one choice. Which one is more suitable? Read only memory. Again, when you are using toy car, when you switch on your toy car, so it will get instruction from read only memory, ROM. Okay, dash is needed to translate from one language to the other language. Assembler, compiler, interpreter, or all of the above? Right answer is all of the above. They all are the example of translator. Assembler is a translator, compiler is a translator, interpreter is a translator. So next one. A program needs to be translated into dash before it can be understood by a computer. The options are high level language, compiler, machine code, none of the above. The right answer is machine code. A program needs to be translated into machine code before it can be understood by a computer, because computer only understand machine code binary numbers 0101. A dash is a list of instructions that enables a computer to perform a specific task. Low level language, compiler, machine code, computer program. List of instruction. So the right answer is a computer program is a list of instruction that enables the computer to perform a specific task. So move to the next question. There are how many types of programming language? 2, 4, 6, none of above. There are two types of high level programming language. One is high level, the second one is low level language. Next, a type of translator used to translate low level language program into machine code. Number one is interpreter, compiler, assembler, or none of above. A type of translator used to translate low level language program into machine code. Right answer is assembler. It's another example of low level language, but this assembler is one step higher than machine code. A type of translator executes a high level language program a statement at a time. Interpreter, compiler, assembler, none of above. Right answer is interpreter is used to execute one instruction at a time. Whenever a program statement doesn't obey the rules of a programming language, that's called what? Syntax error, logical error, programming error, none of above. When you are not obeying the rules of any programming language, that's called syntax error. Okay, a dash error occurs when the program doesn't do what the programs wanted it to do. Options are syntax error, logical error, programming error, all of the above. When you are not getting your desired output, it is called what? Logical error. Dash is breaking into a computer system to steal personal data without the owner's consent or knowledge. The options are cracking, hacking, phishing, or farming. The right answer is hacking. Okay, a program that can replicate, copy itself with the intention of deleting or corrupting files is called virus, hacking, phishing, or farming. The right answer is virus. Virus will replicate itself multiple times. Next, a malicious code installed on a user hard drive or on the web server. The code will redirect the user to fake bogus website without their knowledge. Options are virus, hacking, phishing, or farming. The right answer is farming is used when someone installed a code, a piece of code, a malicious code on the other user's hard drive. Next, as soon as recipient clicks on the link in email attachment, the user is sent to the fake or bogus website. The options are virus, hacking, phishing, or farming. Right answer is this is called phishing. When someone edits a program, source code looks for a backdoor in the software so that the code can be changed for a specific purpose is called virus, hacking, cracking, forming. It's called cracking. Okay, next. 1024 KB is equal to what? It's one of the memory unit used in computer system. 1 MB, 1 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 1 TB or none of above. So 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. Okay, internal hard disk drive in a computer system is fixed, not fixed, removable, none of above. It's fixed. Each device on the internet is given a unique address known as MAC address, IP address, ISP, none. So right answer is IP address. Each device on internet is given a unique address. That's called IP address, Internet Protocol. Okay, next one. Each device on the internet is given a unique address known as Internet Protocol, and this is dash bit number. It's for 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, or none of above. 32-bit number. Internet Protocol is a 32-bit number. IP address is 32-bit number. Next one. This is a unique number that identifies a device connected to the internet known as dash. Unique number that identifies a device connected to the internet known as IP address, Internet Protocol, MAC address, Media Access Control, or Internet Service Provider, ISP, or none. The right answer is it's MAC, Media Access Control. This will help you to identify a unique device connected to the internet. The IP address gives the location of a device on the internet. Is true or false? Is true. Okay. MAC address identifies the device connected to the internet. True or false? It's true. Okay. The companies that provide the user with access to the internet are called Internet Protocol companies, Media Access Control companies, Internet Service Providers, or none of above. This one, ISP, Internet Service Provider. Data being sent from computer to printer is the example of which of the following data transmission method? From computer to printer. Simplex data transmission, half duplex data transmission, full duplex data transmission, or none of above. So your right answer is it's a simplex data transmission. A phone conversation between two people where only one person speaks at a time is the example of which of the following data transmission method? Simplex data transmission, half duplex data transmission, full duplex data transmission, or none of above. So the right answer is half duplex data transmission, a phone conversation between two people. Next, when data is sent 1 bit at a time over a single wire or channel is known as, the options are series data transmission, sequence data transmission, serial data transmission, or parallel data transmission. So the right answer is a serial data transmission when you are using single wire or sending 1 bit at a time. Okay, when several bits of data are sent down several wires or channel, this is known as serial data transmission, parallel data transmission, both A and B, are none of above. It's a parallel data transmission. Now next one, a broadband is the example of which of the following data transmission method? Broadband is the example of which of the following data transmission method? Series data transmission, simplex data transmission, half duplex data transmission, or full duplex data transmission. So is the right answer. It's a full duplex data transmission. Next one. The device which reads or measures physical properties are known as analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, actuators, or sensors. What do you think? Is which read the physical properties? That's called sensor. Next one. Okay, here it is. It is a type of compression algorithm in which we will get back our original file without the loss of a single bit. This is the example of lossy file compression, lossless file compression, simple compression, or all of the above. So right answer is it's lossless file compression. when you will get back your original file without the loss of single bit. Next, the last one. Transport layer security TLS is formed of two layers. Hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocols secure HTTPS. Record protocol and handshake protocol are none of above. So the right answer is your record protocol. Okay ji, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.